1. Introduction: the power of cleansing your door, a secret to welcoming prosperity and peace. Have you ever wondered, can something as simple as cleansing your door transform your financial life? Or could just a bit of salt and essential oil create a flow of positive energy, bringing prosperity and abundance into your home? In our modern lives, we often focus on grand, complex solutions, but sometimes it's the small, mindful actions that hold the greatest transformative power. This door cleansing ritual is not just a way to clean a surface, it's a method to purify your living space, remove negative energy, and open the door to welcome good fortune. According to Feng Shui, the entrance to our home is where energy from the outside enters, where the flow of prosperity can either freely circulate or be blocked. 30th is an ideal time for this ritual, as it aligns with the natural energy shift, allowing you to connect with the flow of abundance more easily. Stay with us as we dive into the details of this ritual, exploring how simple ingredients like salt and essential oil can transform your living space, along with real success stories from those who have performed it. So, what are you waiting for? Let's embark on this journey to welcome prosperity and peace into your life today. 2. The Feng Shui significance of your front door and the importance of energy cleansing. The front door of a home is more than just an entryway. It's the connection between your personal space and the outside world, acting as a mouth of energy in Feng Shui. This means that the energy, or Kai, from the outside world flows into your home through the front door, bringing opportunities, wealth, and harmony. However, if the door collects dust, clutter, or negative energy over time, this flow of positive energy can become blocked, preventing prosperity and even affecting your emotional well-being. Cleansing the front door isn't just about physical cleaning, it's about symbolically opening a pathway for positive energy and good fortune to enter your life. According to Buddhist principles, our surroundings reflect our state of mind and spirit. A clean, harmonious environment can encourage calmness, positivity, and mental clarity. On the other hand, a door cluttered with negative energy can mirror and amplify mental blocks, making it difficult to welcome new opportunities. Regularly cleansing the front door serves as a powerful act of mindfulness, a reminder that you're actively clearing out obstacles to create room for abundance. When you intentionally cleanse the entrance, you're not only physically removing dirt, but also spiritually signaling your openness to welcoming prosperity, positivity, and peace into your life. This mindful action aligns well with both Feng Shui and Buddhist teachings, which emphasize living consciously, maintaining clean spaces, and fostering positive energy. The front door, considered a boundary between spaces, can also act as a shield against negative energies entering your home. Cleansing it regularly is akin to creating an invisible guard against any unwelcome energy while allowing positive, vibrant energy to flow inside freely. This act of cleansing helps you stay grounded, ready to embrace life's blessings, and allows your home to serve as a true sanctuary of peace and abundance. Cleansing your front door can take various forms, from traditional physical cleaning to spiritual practices. But the key element is your intent and awareness. Imagine that as you clean the door, you're actively removing layers of energetic buildup and making space for better opportunities to enter your life. By adopting this cleansing ritual, you are not only enhancing the energy of your home, but also embracing a practice that clears your mind, allowing you to recognize and seize positive changes as they come. 3. Preparing the cleansing water, essential ingredients and their meaning. The water used for cleansing is an essential part of this ritual, helping to clear out negative energy and create a welcoming environment for abundance. For this cleansing water, we'll use a few simple but potent ingredients: salt and essential oil. Each element carries symbolic significance, working together to clean both the physical and energetic space, setting a foundation for prosperity and peace. Salt, the symbol of purity and cleansing. Salt has been used for centuries in spiritual rituals because of its powerful ability to absorb and neutralize negative energy. In Feng Shui and other traditions, salt symbolizes purity and protection, helping to cleanse away unwanted influences. By adding salt to the cleansing water, you're creating a spiritual shield, clearing away stagnant energy and preparing the space to welcome positive vibes. Salt goes beyond physical cleaning. It represents a new beginning, sweeping away obstacles and inviting prosperity. Essential oil, a magnet for abundance and peace. Essential oils aren't just for scent. They also play a crucial role in purifying and enhancing the flow of energy in your home. When used in a cleansing ritual, essential oils can relax the mind, dissipate stress, and make it easier to focus on your financial and personal goals. With a fresh, natural fragrance, essential oils have a subtle yet powerful influence on the energy of a room, creating an environment that feels welcoming and balanced. In Feng Shui, essential oils are often seen as magnets for prosperity because a home that feels light and pleasant encourages positivity and opens the mind to receiving good fortune. When mixed with salt, essential oils help to cleanse any spiritual dust that may be clouding the energy in your home. They leave a fragrant and comfortable atmosphere that is not only enjoyable but also promotes positive family interactions. Think of each drop of essential oil as a silent invitation for abundance and peace to settle into your home, helping to create an environment that feels uplifting and optimistic. 4. Performing the ritual, steps for cleansing and maintaining the right mindset. To get the most out of this cleansing ritual, it's essential to maintain a calm, focused mindset. Cleaning the front door isn't just about wiping down a surface, it's a mindful practice that reflects your readiness to invite positive energy into your life. Here are the steps for the ritual, along with affirmations to help keep your spirit open and aligned with prosperity. Step 1. Prepare and mix the ingredients. Begin with a bowl of fresh water and add a pinch of salt. As the salt dissolves, imagine all negative energies and obstacles in your life being absorbed and washed away. Next, add a few drops of essential oil to the water. As you gently stir, take a deep breath and visualize a clean, harmonious space that feels light and inviting. The cleansing water now becomes more than a cleaning solution, it's a spiritual remedy to remove barriers and bring in positivity. Step 2. Cleanse the front door. Take a clean cloth, dip it into the cleansing water, and carefully wipe down the door. Start at the top and move downwards, from left to right, as if sweeping away layers of stagnant energy. As you clean, repeat positive affirmations such as, "I am open to receiving abundance," or "Positive energy fills my home." These affirmations reinforce your intentions, enhancing your awareness of prosperity and harmony. Step 3. Stay mindful and visualize throughout the ritual. While cleaning the door, maintain a positive and focused mindset. Imagine that each motion with the cloth is a sweep of energy, removing blockages and creating a clear path for abundance to enter. Visualize a stream of vibrant energy surrounding your home, filling it with peace and openness. This mindful process allows you to connect with the universe, expressing your sincere desire to welcome prosperity. After completing the ritual, take a moment to sense the freshness and lightness in your space. It's a sign that any stagnant energy has been lifted, and your home is now a welcoming space, ready for new opportunities. This ritual doesn't just invite financial abundance, but also creates a peaceful and harmonious atmosphere that nourishes the spirit and makes daily life more fulfilling. By following these steps with intention, you're inviting positive change and clearing the way for prosperity. Your home becomes a sanctuary of peace, where your mind and spirit can thrive, setting the stage for a life filled with growth, positivity, and success. 5. Success stories and lessons from the cleansing ritual. In today's fast-paced world, where financial stress and competition are ever increasing, many people are turning to energy cleansing methods to attract wealth and create a positive living space. One inspiring story is from Jessica, an interior designer based in New York, who experienced both financial and emotional shifts through her door cleansing ritual. Jessica shared that her life was once chaotic, with an unstable job, high expenses, and constant financial stress, making it hard for her to focus on her career development. After hearing about Feng Shui and energy cleansing practices, Jessica decided to give it a try. She started with her apartment door in Brooklyn. Using a mixture of salt water and peppermint essential oil, a fragrant alternative to traditional oils, to bring a refreshing and calming scent into her space. Each time she wiped down the door, Jessica imagined her financial burdens and mental blocks washing away. She soon noticed that her space felt brighter and that her mind felt more at peace and refreshed. By making this ritual a monthly habit, Jessica began to see her income from design projects steadily increase. She attracted steady, high-quality clients and saw her career flourish naturally. "I believe that my front door acts as an entrance for positive energy," Jessica said. "When my living space is fresh and clear, my work flows better, and opportunities seem to arrive more easily." Her story shows that cleansing rituals are not just physical actions, but are practices that help organize our thoughts, find balance, and focus on what truly matters. Another success story comes from a young couple in San Francisco. They had bought an older home in the suburbs, facing financial challenges, including mortgage debts, high repair costs, and uncertain income. After learning about Feng Shui and energy cleansing rituals, they decided to cleanse the main entrance and windows with salt water and lavender essential oil, an oil well known for its relaxing and purifying properties. The results surprised them. Not only did they feel more at ease in their home, but career opportunities also started to appear. The husband quickly advanced at work and received a raise, while the wife found a new job nearby, which reduced their financial pressure. They believe that this financial improvement wasn't just luck but a result of clearing the old, stagnant energies that had been lingering in their space. Their story demonstrates that energy cleansing rituals can help clear both physical and mental blocks, creating an environment for personal and financial growth. 6. Conclusion, key takeaways and encouragement to try the ritual. Jessica's and the San Francisco couple's stories reveal that maintaining a clean, energy-balanced living space is not just about physical tidiness, but also about refreshing the energy in your environment. This simple ritual of cleansing the front door with salt water and essential oil offers a way to reset the energy in your space, clear your mind, and prepare for prosperity and success. However, the true benefit of this cleansing ritual lies not in going through the motions, but in fully believing in each step. Performing the ritual regularly, once a month, is ideal, and staying mindful of your goals. When done with intention, positive energy, and clear focus, this ritual can become a meaningful part of your life, helping you approach challenges with confidence, embrace positivity, and grow in self-assurance. You don't need to wait for a specific time to start. If you feel stressed, uneasy, or financially burdened, try performing the ritual to renew the energy around you and signal to the universe that you're ready for change. A clean, vibrant front door not only makes coming home a comforting experience, but also serves as a symbolic gateway for wealth, luck, and new opportunities. Remember, this ritual isn't a quick fix, it's a practice for balancing energy, centering yourself, and enhancing your mindset. As you make this ritual part of your monthly routine, it will bring you calm, help you focus on what matters most, and create an inviting space for abundance to flow into your life. 7. Final thought, embracing abundance and peace. The door to abundance and peace is not just your front door, it's also your state of mind. As you perform this cleansing ritual, remember to stay open-minded and welcome positive changes. Just as Jessica and the couple in San Francisco have done, you can use your living space to express your intention for a prosperous and fulfilling life. In Western cultures, more people are recognizing the importance of maintaining a clean and positive environment. Many U.S. Feng Shui and wellness experts share that energy cleansing rituals are becoming a valued lifestyle practice, not merely a trend. People are increasingly embracing essential oils and energy cleansing methods as practical ways to enhance their living spaces and invite prosperity. You might begin by practicing this ritual once a month or whenever you feel the need to refresh your space and mindset. If you decide to try this ritual, take your time. Set aside a quiet moment, turn off your devices, dim the lights, and focus on each step. As you wipe down the door, visualize sweeping away negativity and opening up space for new opportunities. This act isn't just about cleaning, it's about clearing mental and emotional space, helping you focus on the things that matter most, and inviting peace and prosperity into your life. This ritual doesn't require much, just your belief, intention, and a bit of time. When your space is pure and your mind is open, abundance will naturally flow into your life with greater ease. This is a balanced approach, where the external and internal aspects of your life work together to bring you not only financial prosperity, but also a sense of inner contentment and joy. Take the leap and give this ritual a try. Share your experience and see how it can positively shift your outlook and attract prosperity. Remember, your living space is a reflection of your inner self. By cleansing the outer environment, you are also nourishing peace and joy within. May your home always be a place of abundance, serenity, and happiness.